In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mind map in ClickUp. We'll start by signing in to your ClickUp account. Once you're in, head to the space where you want to build or explore a mind map. This keeps everything organized under the right team or project, so you're not creating views in the wrong place. Inside that space, open the Views menu. From there, choose Mind Map. This opens a visual workspace that lets you see how folders, lists, and tasks relate to one another, or lets you brainstorm from scratch. When the mind map builder appears, choose a structure that works for you. If you already have folders and lists set up, the Visualize your folders, lists, and tasks in a clear, structured view option is ideal. It lays out your existing hierarchy so you can quickly understand relationships and drill into the details. If you're starting fresh or want to ideate freely, select Brainstorm Ideas and create new tasks from a blank canvas. This gives you a clean slate to map ideas and convert them into actionable tasks as you go. Make sure you're working with tasks on the canvas so anything you add will be a real task in your workspace. Then click Add Task. In the task name field, type Highlight. Short, clear titles help your map stay readable as it grows. Click Create Task to add it to the mind map. Next, click the highlight node in the map to select it. Click it again if you want to focus on it or open its details depending on your current view. This is a good moment to check that it's in the correct list and has the right context. If you're building out more ideas, you can repeat this add and select flow to connect related tasks and create a logical structure. If you want to return to your view options, use the mind map header to navigate back. When you're done exploring, or if this mind map was just a quick test, you can remove it by choosing Delete View. Don't worry, deleting the view doesn't delete your tasks. It simply removes this specific visualization. Finally, return to your main project area by selecting Project for Team. This brings you back to your standard folders, lists, or other views with any tasks you created in the mind map now available to manage like any others. That's it. You logged in, opened your space, created a mind map, chose the structure that fits your workflow, added a task called Highlight, interacted with it on the canvas, remove the test view when finished, and navigated back to your project. Use this process whenever you want a clear visual way to organize ideas and turn them into action in ClickUp.